Alright guys, real quick plug before we get this video started. Y'all go follow me on my Instagram at LMFSCREW. Post pictures of the truck mainly, some of the car, but check it out. I'll see y'all there. Alright guys, so I haven't watched the video yet, but hopefully the volume came out pretty good on the GoPro. Like I said, I haven't watched it yet, so I'm not for sure. But you know, I'm a big hater of the active fuel management because I just don't like it. I'm gonna do a full video on how it's like with the bigger wheels and tires, if I like it better or worse than when it was stock. But I'm sure you heard what it sounds like with the True Duals, which is 2 cats and then just 2 individual pipes the rest of the way back. All right, so y'all heard the video, and I kind of thought it was gonna be like a weird, I know I shouldn't have thought it was gonna be a 4-cylinder, but I kind of thought it was gonna be, and it's not. So I know it's probably a stupid thing for me to think it was gonna sound like a 4-cylinder or something with the loud exhaust and V4 mode, and I don't know why I really thought that, but I did, and it definitely does not sound like that. Nice truck going by. But yeah, it just sounds like a V8, just more choppy. So, man, it's just traffic like crazy. They're all looking at me like I'm retarded. Yeah, but so V4 mode with a real loud exhaust, it really doesn't sound bad. I really don't mind it, as weird as it is. Some of y'all that have like Flowmasters and stuff says it sounds terrible, which I kind of can hear the like helicopter kind of sound, but you know, it really doesn't sound bad. It does like a little pop. I call it a pop. It's not a pop, but kind of a pop noise whenever it goes into V8 mode, and I actually think it sounds pretty good. It doesn't sound like it sounds, you know, it's definitely not something that I feel like is good for the engine because of the way it sounds, but it does sound cool. But sometimes it jumps between. Got another truck going by. Yeah, this is testing me. This is testing my vlogging skills because people are judging me and I can feel it. But comes another one. Yep. Act like I'm not vlogging. Dude. Yep. I've got the camera hung up on this old gas pump as well, so it's like just obvious. I'm up to no good or something. Couple more cars, good lord. So, yeah, it does a little pop. Sometimes it's annoying because I don't want to be like 16-year-old that's like revving at people, and sometimes when you're going through town, it likes to cut in V4 mode, and then when you get a little bit of gas, it'll go into V8 mode, it'll do that pop, and then people are looking at you, which I guess is a good thing, but then again, they're thinking that you're revving at them or something, and so that's kind of a downfall of it. But as far as the sound goes, man, I don't mind it at all. And I bought the programmer for it before. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that's a boat. It looks like a John boat, but it's huge. But I actually bought the Range Technology programmer chip thing, whatever you want to call it, before I got the exhaust, because I was so worried, because everybody was saying how horrible their exhaust sounds in the V4 mode, so I was super worried about that. But you know, honestly, I've been trying to make these videos about the V4 for the last couple weeks, and I haven't had my Range thing installed in 2 weeks, and it's really not been bad at all. So I won't say whether or not I've gained or lost or anything fuel economy wise, but that'll be a different video. But as far as the driving and everything, really has not been bad. It's been basically normal, and I'm actually totally used to it. So can't say for people that have like Flowmasters or mufflered exhausts or Borla, anything like that, I can't say. But for True Duals, no mufflers on there, it sounds pretty good. Hopefully the video does come across as it truly sounds. From in the cabin though, sounds good. No complaints. V4 mode. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing a more in-depth video on the things, how it drives and stuff with the bigger wheels and tires. But as far as the sound goes, I really don't mind it. So y'all let me know what you think. I'll see y'all in the next one.